talk to Nigerians. Stop doing these things. Please. You tell us that the ticket is won. Yet Osibajo cannot act in Buhari. Yet you tell us that the ticket is won. No, you shouldn't continue this. This should not continue. And Peter Obi should not speak at this thing. I tell you, sir. You cannot disrespect us in this manner.
Action can be taken. Let's sit down first. Please, let's hear.
You can't keep doing this to us. No way. No way. No way. No way. Okowa must go. Okowa must go. Okowa must go. Okowa must go. No way. No way. Abba. Abba.
Dr. Rabiu Kwankwaso. May we also invite Mr. Kola Abiola.
Where is Tinubu now? Tinubu and Atiku are too big.
As you know, Senator Ahmed Tinubu was to be on the event, but he has postponed his participation to another series. And Alhaji Atiku Abubakar has just landed, I'm told. He's on the way from the airport. But meanwhile, Dr. Arthur Okowa can take the stage. Thank you so much. So in a few minutes, some of our panelists will please come to real.
We don't want only presidential candidate. We want presidential candidate. Presidential candidate. Only presidential candidate. That's what we want. Only we want presidential candidate. Sit down, look at the presidential candidate only. Whoever is the president, no. We are Nigerians. No. You can take your presidential candidate. We don't want all this I told no, it doesn't matter. To save the situation, he can just the gentleman will step down. You know. What?
Zona side. Turn. You can stay here. You can stay
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please can we have everybody off the stage? Please leave the stage. Everybody, please leave the stage. Everybody, please leave the stage. Please move back, please. For security reasons, we can't have you here. If you don't want to ask security, you have to leave it. Please move back. Please, ladies and gentlemen, please move back. Please move back. Thank you. Thank you very much.
My principal to I refuse Peter Obi to debate. No. Yes, we will waste the time. We will waste the time. We will waste the time. Only presidential candidates.
They are going to
When you say that you cannot see that the vice president you think that just for the moment. They don't know what it means. Why do they have the ticket? Why do they have a twin ticket? But the law says for your candidate to be, you must have somebody following you.
go back to hope.
Only presidential candidate. Keep it vacant. Let the vice president should debate the vice president. Vice president should wait for the turn of vice president. Vice president should debate with vice president. Only presidential aspirant. No, let it be vacant. Only vacant.
Call it to be people. This colonel is NPP personnel. You call it to be people. Stop that, please. You did. Stop that. I'm taking a lot from you here. What is what? Why are you always calling me?
Very quickly, I just want to make you all realize.
Following on the footsteps of the first speaker, my name is Mr. Peter Obi, born in Nigeria, educated in Christ the King College, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, and subsequently have had the privilege of having very extensive trainings overseas, from London School of Economics to Harvard Graduate School, to Kellogg, to Columbia, Oxford University, Cambridge, IMD in Switzerland. I'm a businessman, I'm a trader. Very successful trader. We have managed corporations locally and established a successful business in United Kingdom that is of note today. I lived there for 10 years. From there, I chaired companies in Nigeria. I've served in about 8 quoted companies, different companies, out of which I chaired about 3 of them in Nigeria. Became a governor of my state, served for 8 years. I've had some remarkable things that happened in my transition into politics. I would say I was the first governor to be declared through the courts, because when I contested the election, somebody else was declared and I went to court and challenged it, and for 3 years I was declared. 6 months into being governor, I was impeached. I went to court again and challenged the rascality, and I became the second person to come back in this country as the governor from impeachment. And 5 months after that, my tenure again was terminated by an election that was not supposed to exist. And I went back to court and established the tenure of governor, which is what every governor would have disrupted a Nigerian election to date. Without me, the likes of Oshomole, Fayemi, Oribashala, all these would be governors. It was my challenge of that rascality that made it possible for them to go to court afterwards. While as governor, I served as advisor to the president of Nigerian Finance. President Goodluck Jonathan was a member of his economic management team and was the chairman of SEC thereafter. Since after that, I've been involved. In 2019, I was vice presidential candidate to Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Today, I'm contesting Labour. I believe that 2023 is a critical and a crucial year for Nigeria. The government that will be coming in will be faced with the undaunting task of bringing back Nigeria and repositioning it, because it breaks of so many daunting situations that requires immediate attention. My commitment is to ensure that will bring a government that will redirect, empower, and govern Nigeria in the way governance is expected all over the world. And that is my commitment.